page Word 230. This video will be the title page title. We're going to add the charity auction to the beginning of our proposal here. The first thing we're going to do is change the theme colors. To do that, you go here to change styles on the home tab. Click that. Select colors, and the colors scheme we're going to be using here is going to be verb. So select that, and then we go on to format the characters. For this, we want our title to be centered. You can see the centered button right here. Click that. We want the font type to be this TW MT condensed extra bold. I have it here as a recently used font. You may not. You may have to scroll down to the T's and find it there. There it is. We select that, and then the size we're going to use is going to be 72 point. Select there, and you can see your paragraph symbol there grows with the size of the font that we're using. Next thing we're going to do is type in the title. That is Charity Auction. Okay, and now we put a border around it. To place a border, you click on the border button here, the drop down arrow. It'll give you your border options. We are going to go to borders and shading because we're going to set different styles to the border we're adding. Here's the borders and shading window. We want to put a box around our paragraph. We're going to make the width much thicker than a normal border. We're going to give it a 6-point border for that width, and the color we're going to use is going to be here. It's going to be the gray 50%. So we select that, go ahead and hit OK now, and it puts the border around our title. After that, we're going to add the shading to our paragraph or to our title here. Shading is located right next to the border box. Click the arrow there, and what we're going to do is we're going to use this pink accent 2 darker 25 shading. We're going to use this color a lot for this assignment. So go ahead and click that. It adds your shading to your paragraph. Next thing we want to do is change the left and right paragraph indenture. You'll find that on the page layout tab. Now if you don't see a ruler right here at the top of your screen, you click this view ruler button here on the right side, and that'll show you your ruler. For that, we want to change the indentation by 0.3 inches on the left and right. So we click the up arrow 3 times here, 3 times here, and you can see it moves everything in. Okay, you can go ahead and close the view ruler there by clicking that button again. Now we have our title for our sales proposal. The next thing we do, we're going to hit enter to move down a line. You can see the formatting carries over into the next line when we hit enter. What we want to do then to get rid of that is use the clear formatting button. When you press this, it'll wipe out any formatting on that next paragraph, and it will set it to your default settings for whatever you're going to add next. So that is our title, adding our title to our sales proposal.